Let's rewind to 1953, Jacksonville, Florida, a time when America was booming, and the spirit of innovation was in the air. The streets buzzed with classic cars, neon lights, and the promise of something new around every corner. It was here that Burger King's story began. Founded by two entrepreneurs with a vision to change the way America ate. Their mission was simple yet bold. Serve up flame-grilled burgers made fresh and tailored just for you, in a world where most burgers were fried and flavor was often an afterthought. In 1957, the Whopper made its grand debut, a quarter-pound of juicy beef, stacked high with crisp lettuce, ripe tomatoes, onions, pickles, and creamy mayo, all nestled on a 5-inch sesame seed bun. It was big, bold, and unlike anything else on the market. The Whopper wasn't just a burger, it was a flavor revolution. People lined up to taste this new creation, eager for something that broke the mold of ordinary fast food. The Whopper's flame-grilled taste and impressive size set Burger King apart from the competition, making it an instant icon and a must-try for burger lovers everywhere. That smoky aroma, the juicy patty, and the crunch of fresh veggies became a signature experience, one that people would come to crave and remember. The Whopper isn't just food, it's Americana. It's a comfort classic that stood the test of time, bringing families and friends together for generations. Its legacy is built on doing things differently, grilling over an open flame, not frying, and always focusing on quality and taste. This commitment to flame grilling and fresh ingredients is the heart of Burger King's identity, and it's what keeps people coming back, decade after decade. The Whopper's story is one of innovation, of daring to be different, and of sticking to what makes great flavor, even as tastes and trends change. It's a legacy built one flame-grilled patty at a time, with every bite carrying the story of a brand that's never been afraid to stand out. From its humble beginnings in Jacksonville to becoming a global icon, the Whopper's journey is a testament to the power of bold ideas, great taste, and a little bit of flame. And that's a story worth telling. The Whopper's foundation: 100% pure beef. No fillers, no preservatives, no nonsense. Burger King partners with trusted ranchers who meet strict quality and animal welfare standards. It's all about sourcing the right cuts for juicy, flavorful patties. The only additions? A sprinkle of salt and pepper as it hits the broiler. No secret ingredients, no chemical tricks, just honest, beefy flavor. This transparency means you know exactly what you're eating. In a world of complicated labels, Burger King keeps it simple. Using only pure beef ensures the Whopper's taste stays true, decade after decade. It's a tradition of quality from pasture to tray. That's the Burger King promise. High-quality beef is just the start. The journey to the perfect patty begins long before it hits the grill. It starts with selecting only the finest cuts, chosen for their rich, marbling, and deep flavor. Each piece is inspected for quality, ensuring that only the best makes it to the next stage. This attention to detail is what sets a great burger apart from the rest. But the real magic happens in the patty-making process. Here, tradition meets technology, as skilled workers and advanced machines work side by side to create the ideal burger base. The beef is carefully ground to achieve the perfect texture, not too fine, not too coarse, so every bite is juicy and satisfying. Specialized machines then shape the ground beef into uniform quarter-pound patties, ensuring each one is exactly the same size and thickness. Consistency is key. Every patty must cook evenly on the broiler, so precision in size and shape is essential. This guarantees that whether you're in New York or Tokyo, your burger will always taste just right. Immediately after forming, the patties are sent through a flash freezing tunnel. This rapid freezing process locks in the freshness and flavor, preserving the beef at its peak. Flash freezing is more than just a convenience, it's a science. By freezing the patties quickly, it prevents the formation of large ice crystals, which can damage the meat's structure. This keeps the patty juicy and tender even after it's cooked. Thanks to this process, every Whopper patty, no matter where it's made or served, meets the same high standard. It's a global commitment to quality that ensures every customer gets the same delicious experience. There's no need for preservatives or artificial additives. The cold does all the work. The result is a patty that's as natural as it is flavorful. When a patty is unwrapped in the kitchen, it's as fresh as the moment it was made. The aroma, the color, and the texture all speak to the care that went into its creation. Behind the scenes, food scientists and quality experts continually test and refine the process, making sure every patty meets strict standards for safety and taste. This is food science at its best, blending innovation with tradition. The result? A perfect patty, ready for the flame, full of flavor, moisture, and that unmistakable sizzle as it hits the grill. Consistency, quality, and freshness, every time. It's a promise kept with every burger served, from the first bite to the last. That's how you start a legend. The perfect patty is more than just a piece of meat. It's the foundation of an iconic burger, crafted with care, precision, and a passion for great taste. Quality control at Burger King is no joke. Every patty is checked for weight, size, and thickness. Precision is everything. Inspectors use scales and calipers to guarantee each patty meets the quarter-pound standard. Texture and color are scrutinized to ensure freshness and the perfect grind. Random samples undergo lab testing for purity and safety. Only patties that pass every test move forward. Think of it as the Patty Olympics. Only the best make the cut. Any patty that falls short is pulled from the line. This rigorous process ensures every box shipped is top quality. Restaurant crews can trust what they receive. The result? A reliable, rock-solid foundation for every Whopper. That's Burger King's commitment to excellence. Once approved, patties embark on a carefully controlled journey. They're loaded onto freezer trucks, giant mobile freezers that keep them rock solid. Temperatures are monitored non-stop to maintain freshness. This cold chain stretches worldwide, ensuring every Burger King gets the same quality. Shipments are tracked in real time to prevent delays or temperature slips. On arrival, restaurant crews check temperatures and inspect boxes before storing patties in walk-in freezers. The cold chain remains unbroken from factory to kitchen. This system guarantees a perfect patty, ready for the broiler. No shortcuts, no compromises, just freshness delivered. That's how flavor travels. Now for the main event, the legendary flame broiler. Frozen patties ride a conveyor over open flames, getting cooked from both sides. As fat drips onto the fire, smoke rises and infuses the meat with that signature smoky flavor. Those broiler lines? Proof of real fire and real grilling. The broiler's precision ensures every patty is cooked perfectly, hot, juicy, and ready to go. This automated system means every Whopper, first or last, is consistent. Flame grilling is harder, but it's what sets Burger King apart. That charred, smoky taste can't be faked. When you bite into a Whopper, you taste decades of fire and tradition. It's the flavor that made Burger King famous. That's the money shot. Food trends change, and Burger King adapts. Enter the Impossible Whopper and Veggie Bean Burger, plant-based options for a new era. These patties often share the same flame broiler as beef, picking up that iconic smoky flavor. Burger King is upfront about this, letting customers know and offering oven or microwave prep for strict vegetarians. It's all about choice. Have it your way, even with plant-based. The goal? Deliver that signature taste, no matter the patty. Transparency and flexibility are key. Everyone gets a taste of the flame. The grand finale, assembling the Whopper. It starts with a toasted sesame seed bun and a swirl of creamy mayo. The hot, flame-grilled patty lands next, followed by crisp pickles and sharp onions. Fresh tomato slices and crunchy lettuce pile on top. A squirt of ketchup crowns the creation. The burger is wrapped to lock in heat and meld flavors. The process is fast, ensuring every Whopper is fresh. Customization is built in, extra pickles, no onions, cheese, bacon, your call. The have it your way motto comes alive here. Every Whopper is a personalized masterpiece. From farm to tray, it's a journey of flavor and care. That's how legends are built. Peel back the Whopper, and you find more than just ingredients. You find a story. Every layer, from the sesame seed bun to the crisp lettuce and juicy tomato, is a chapter in Burger King's ongoing commitment to honesty and quality. It's not just about what's inside the wrapper, but about the journey that brought it to your hands. Flame grilling isn't just a method, it's Burger King's identity. The sizzle and crackle of real fire have been at the heart of every Whopper since the very beginning. This isn't a shortcut or a marketing gimmick, it's a tradition that sets Burger King apart, infusing every patty with a smoky flavor you can see, smell, and taste. They're proud of their process and open about how it works. Step behind the counter and you'll see a kitchen that welcomes curiosity. Employees are trained to answer questions and the preparation areas are designed to be visible, so customers can witness the care and attention that goes into every order. No secrets, just real fire, real beef, and real flavor. The flames you see aren't just for show, they're the same ones that sear each patty, locking in juices and creating that signature char. It's a process that's as authentic as it is delicious. Transparency builds trust, letting customers know exactly what they're eating. Nutritional information is front and center, and ingredient lists are available for anyone who wants to know more. Burger King believes that when you have nothing to hide, you have everything to share. From pure beef sourcing to shared broilers for plant-based patties, Burger King lays it all out. Whether you're a meat lover or a plant-based eater, you can see exactly how your meal is made, right down to the grill marks. The journey of a Whopper patty is a testament to dedication and quality. Each patty is handled with care, seasoned just right and cooked to perfection. The process is a blend of tradition and innovation, ensuring every bite is as satisfying as the last. It starts with great beef, moves through precision and care, and ends with a fiery finish. Only the best cuts make it to the grill, and every step is monitored for quality. The result? A burger that's as honest as it is flavorful. The core principle? Real fire makes a better burger. It's a belief that stood the test of time, and it's why every Whopper is flame-grilled, never fried or microwaved. Next time you unwrap a Whopper, remember, you're holding a piece of flame-grilled history. It's a symbol of Burger King's promise to be open, honest, and always delicious. And that's truly Off the Hook, a tradition of transparency you can taste in every bite.